Alright, back here at Perkins Garage. Got my stretched out neck on. Got the car in the shop. You saw that from the last video. So, got the shoes on. They're looking pretty sweet. Gotta get them white letters cleaned off. Oh yeah, they look good. I got the dash pad pulled out because I have some stuff to put for the, you can't see it in there, HVAC ducts. See that one over there. The ones that I bought for the car were different style than the originals. Because the original, this dashboard came out of a Monte Carlo, so I'm thinking that's why they're different. So I got, I'm gonna use this shit. Found it at Menards. We got some clamps for it. I mean, it doesn't have to be anything special, just for heat, and that should be fine. It's not gonna get super hot in there, So tonight I'm going to pull the passenger side tire off and put a new, I got a busted off stud that I gotta replace, and I don't know if I'm gonna get the other one, driver's side drum. I'll show it to you when I pull it off. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tonight. I'll show it to you though, and maybe an updated video, but I got a new drum for that. There's like a torch hole in the drum, so yeah, I'm gonna go to town right now and on the car. Had a few beers, just got back from my bowling banquet, so all right, here we go. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. That stud right there busted off when I was taking those stupid Unilug rims off. I don't even remember why I was taking them off. Anyway, that busted off, so I got new studs. That actually looks like a fairly new stud too. Interesting. So I might pound that one out too. It looks a little short. Anyway, get this off of here and keep giving her all the way.
was a newer one. Holy shit. Okay. I think we'll leave that one. Up. Because it is. That'll be it, right? Well, it'll be easier to turn it on the other side. Oh. Turn it off. Come on. Yeah, now you fucking dirtbag. Alright. Bear with me, I'm gonna go find my little toolie tool. Yeah. Okay, got my tool. It's got a little bearing in it. It's got a cup. I don't remember where I got it from. I think my dad got it for me. Because I was doing the lug nuts on the truck. The old Fred over here, the 76. Put it on something like that. See how we did. Maybe a little bit more. So that's pretty good. Alright, put them back on. You probably don't want to use a chrome lug nut to do that, but that's all I got, so that's what I'm using. Put this tour back on. Like that. I'll get the tire. Bear with me. you guys get the idea. It puts the tire back on the car. Alright, hold on. Almost forgot. I got to do the old Derek Beery vice grip rebuild. I always use on stuff like this engine paint, because that stuff will stick to anything. So we'll just give it a little spritz. Hold on, check the cut. Oh, check the spray. There we go. Oh yeah, brings it right back to life. Brings it right back around. Now some people will let the paint dry, but the stuff that matters doesn't. I mean, it's fine. Let me do this. Go ahead and scuff up the paint a little bit. Right on. Bingo. Bango. Bongo. More on the stubby one. I should have probably replaced this stud, but it should be fine. Four wouldn't hold them, five never would. They're right, Puddin's Fab Shop. Why does it feel like it's cross-threading? Might have to replace this one. We got shit on the threads. I'll send her home, see what happens. She's just fine. Oops. Scratch the chrome. Here we go. That's that side. I'm going to pull the other drum off now. Stay tuned for that.
Okay, I got the other side off, so this is what I was talking about. I don't know what or why that hole is there. It looks like someone torched it. I don't know if something was... I don't know why you would torch a hole through that though. So typically you would torch it around here. I don't know why there's weights on here either. New one doesn't have weights. So, alright. I'm gonna clean off the new one and paint it. Well, the warden's out here, so I'm gonna put this toy away. She's wondering why the fridge is open. Sometimes you gotta thaw out the freezer. Because when it gets to that level and the door won't shut, you gotta take care of business. But I got the other brake drum on. Alright, got the new brake drum on, and I'm gonna paint it and put the tire back on. And the rear's good to go. Alright, till next time. Stop picking at it.
I'm not, I'm cleaning it off.
Yeah, it needs to be cleaned. Alright, I'll see you next time.